Good afternoon, my friends. It's 125, 2015. The time is 3:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Starting in the morning, we're in the earnings season. And so basically, every quarter, stocks report earnings. We trade them in after hours, and I will show you how good we really are in that after hours market and what you should be doing. What we would like to let you know is that on any calendar date that we trade a lot of the earning stocks in after hours, the big ones, and so that you can figure out how much money we make. We have every single trade that we do during the earnings season on live video with live entry, live exits. It's going to be your next path that you need to go on, or you can get involved in our trading services that we have. And basically, what is all that about? Well, it's about this. Going to the trading, you got a free trial tab. That's the free page. Let's go over to the actual open an account page. You scroll down here, open an account. We are going to give you buying power. There's the 25 day trading rule that all of you have with account balances below 25,000. And you do. And I know it. Here. This is the FINRA rule that broker-dealers in the U.S. have to go by. It's called the 25-20 day trading rule that you have experienced at some time. If you do 5 trades or 3 trades intraday, they restrict you to cash only. And then you got the programs that you're using for a charting platform is just even more worse. Yeah, it is. Ours is market maker. That's who we are. You will not get the routes that we do get. We get stuff you people in the public sector will never ever see in your whole life unless you want to take responsibility and watch how we make markets, watch how the software works. Do that for yourself. Let it be known right now. Our biggest trades are always made in after hours. So what we have on the floor tomorrow, we're going to have after hours, we're going to have Microsoft. We're going to have MicroStrategy. We're going to have, what else do we like in here? Well, listen, there's a lot of them that we do like, but this is what the menu is for the 26 through 2030, 30 date. Now, let's go over here to February. Gosh, we're going to be in February. Before the open, we're going to have a lot of stocks that report. And, so we're going to be watching that Soho Chinese stock. We're going to watch a lot of the other ones as well. In that particular day and after hours, we're going to have some big ones. Let's take a look together. And these are the actual earnings. Let's see, it keeps going forever. And yes, there's a lot of them in here that we're going to watch how they trade as we go into these next dates. The dates that we're going to focus on right now is I will show you the February 2nd date. That's a big day. I'm going to show you how big it is. It's big. And it's big for one reason. We're going to be trading a lot of these going into our, they're going to report, and then after hours, some are going to make it, some of them are going to get slammed. Here's February 3rd, after hours and whatnot. As I kind of just go through here, there's a lot of them that we're going to be trading right here on these earnings. This is our biggest time for you and me to make a lot of money. Yes, and you've seen a lot of them on after hours on earnings and what we do. We buy them at the market close, after the close, and then we buy them when they hit the low. Here's a big one for us, GILD, Gilead. We're going to be watching these particular stocks are going to trade. Here's one right here. check it out. This is after the close. What do we got that we like after the close here? Well, there's a lot of them that we like. And one of the things that we're really going to be focusing on is some of these big names that are right in here. NXPI, we're not going to be trying to trade NE for any reason. iRobot's up there too. Let's just keep going. That's how far the list is. And I'm going to show you to my new guys and everyone else. It starts right here on February 4th through. And so before the open, this part before the open goes all the way to right here. And we start from here going down in the earnings season. And if you want to trade a quarterly earnings season with this, you can do that. Simply send an email to info@stockmarketfunding.com. On February 5, we can clearly see where these earnings are going. We can clearly see what trades we're going to be making. We clearly can see how much money we're going to make. And we make a ton of money in after hours and pre-market hours, you know. Here's the one on February 6th. That's before the open. And a lot of them are going to, so as we wind down, we are going to wind down on the end of that calendar week. There's lots of great trades in this market in the after hours video. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in Google. G-O-O-G. Here. G-O-O-G. Here we go. I'm also going to say they report their earnings. It looks like they're going to report January 29th, and they are. That's going to be a big trade. Yeah, well, unfortunately, I'm doing the earnings right now. What's the live video? Yeah, I am. Here. So you know,